To correctly add Square payments to your Wix site, start by creating a Square account if you don't already have one. This will give you access to the Square dashboard where you can manage your payments and settings. Next, go to the Wix website editor and click on the Add button in the top bar. Then select More and search for Square in the search bar. Click on the Square app and then click Add to Site. You will be redirected to the Square authorization page where you will need to enter your Square account credentials to connect your Square account to Wix. Once connected, you will be redirected back to the Wix website editor. Now, click on the Square app you just added to your site and select Settings. Here, you can configure your Square payment settings such as selecting the payment methods you want to accept and setting up shipping options. To add a payment button to your site, click on the Add button in the top bar and select More. Then search for Payment button. Click on the Payment button and select Square as the payment method. You can then customize the payment button to fit your site's design and add it to the desired page. On your site, make sure to test your payment button to ensure it is working correctly. It is also a good idea to set up recurring payments and refunds in your Square dashboard to manage any subscription-based services or returns. By following these steps, you can easily add Square payments to your Wix site and start accepting payments from your customers.